Well, this is one we definitely don't see every day, as we've gotten a sailboat coming toward the boat ramp down here, and he's kind of trying to stay into the channel, so I'm actually assuming he really is trying to navigate this thing to the ramp. But let's see how he does. It is a windy day down here, and he's by himself, and I'm surprised he's coming in. It looks like he's got a kicker motor on the back, but he's still trying to navigate in under sail, so he looks like he's doing all right. He started to turn. Now he's heading toward the channel markers on the other side. He looks like he's trying to go to the front of the boat to try and let the sails down, but he doesn't have anybody to help him, so there's nobody to hold the rudder while he's trying to do this. So he's tacking back. And let's see how he winds up pulling this one off. So again, working his way through the channel marker, and he's letting go of the rudder. He's going after the sail now to try and get it down. He turns back toward the marker, barely misses it, and man, it gets up on the high side real quick. Like, he's got to watch out. He's actually heading toward the island, scrambles back to the rudder, trying to turn. He was literally going to crash into the rocks over here if he didn't do that, and he still probably is. As the boat's being drugged out, yep, he's going into the rocks. That's it. He's going in. Man, that is absolutely nuts. So he's crashed up on the rocks over here on the other side. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And today we're down here visiting Boynton. So our guy, after struggling over there for a minute and the boat almost flipping over, finally gets the sails down, gets the kicker started, and is going to go ahead and try and bring this one into the ramp, I'm guessing. It's I mean, the wind is absolutely whipping down here today. As you can tell, it's a little rough out here on the water, and probably can tell from the wind in the background on the sound. So here we go. He's coming in, gonna try and, man, this one's just kind of a mess as he's trying to get it over here. I wonder why he didn't take the front sail down. I'm not a big sailor. I have been on sailboats and I have sailed before, but to tell you that I'm like the best at it or know everything about sailboats, that'd just be a blatant lie. But I'm not sure why he didn't take the front sail down. Let me know in the comments below if there's any reason why you guys think he would have left it up. It just feels like that might have made it a little more difficult to try and come in here and get on the dock. So he's kind of making his approach now. Looks like he's trying to determine which side he's going to go on. So he pulls a fender of some kind out. And it looks like he's trying to determine which way is the best to do this with the wind. So he's going to go for the starboard side dock. He's trying to get around the sails to try and get the fender out. Winds up smacking into the dock. Finally gets the fender out, but it doesn't really matter much. And man, this looks more difficult than it should have been. Again, it's a super windy day. He's by himself, so I gotta imagine that's tough. But for the sailors out there in the crew, let me know how you think he did. Again, I'm not one much to judge on this, but that looked like a lot of work. So here comes our next crew in toward the ramp. So Cap's picking his line. He's got Wifey on the stern with the line, getting ready to roll. And here we go. He starts to turn it in. He's coming in a little bit hot. He's probably going to have to brake check it. Wifey needs to hang on. She steps off onto the dock before it gets too out of hand, and she winds up, well, I thought with both lines. There we go. 2 lines in hand, and Cap's going to try and walk it off and get back to the dock. Came in a little hot on that one, but they wind up getting it over and get it pulled in. And we got another crew coming in. It's been slow going down here today. With it being so windy and overcast, it's just not been a very popular boating day. But here we go, husband and wife on the way toward the dock. The tag team duo, let's see how they do. So he comes in on approach, picking his angle. Looks pretty solid. Coming in a little hot, might want to slow it down just a smidge, but he's fighting against the wind. You can see the flag there. Wind's kind of blowing back at him. Oh, Wifey's going to get on the gunnel. And coming in with the soft touch, and they nailed the landing on that one. power couple going at it. So it's always interesting to see when these crews come in, everybody's got a little different approach. And they got her onto the dock first. She's able to cleanly grab the lines, and it's not often that we show ones that go great, and this one just happened to go pretty solid and wind up making the cut. The crew next to him struggling. So here comes another vessel in on approach, and this crew, another power couple tag team duo. We've got the husband behind the helm, and this is actually his wife backing the truck down, and she killed it. She's doing an amazing job getting the trailer back down the ramp.
Well, I am of you now. That way we can give him a good example.
So, I believe he told our camera guy he knows what he's doing. Let's see if he can go ahead and prove it. It's tough when you call your shot. I mean, Babe Ruth used to do it, but as boaters, we probably shouldn't. So his wife's got the trailer where she wants it. She's down there to give him a hand. Let's see how he fares. He's coming in off. So he's going to use the guy pull to try and get him around. Has to hard brake check it back to try and get it lined up. And the stern's going to go over into the dock for a second. And there we go. He's going to try and push it up now. And I won't call it a miss because it was more of just a slightly off on the beginning there. But he does wind up closing it out pretty solid and nothing crazy. Just had to get the boat relined back up and then pushed up on the trailer. So our crew here is still working to get this one onto the trailer. They've opted to go with the let's pull it onto the trailer method versus driving it onto the trailer, and nothing wrong with that. But they've been at it for a little while. It's not been an easy process for them so far. So you can see she's pulling hard on the lines to try and get it up there, and finally kind of getting it lined up, and we'll be able to get the bow winch hooked up to it now, and they should be able to winch this one up from here. So we'll come over here. We got another ski coming in on this side. This crew looks to be okay as well as they're doing the slow roll approach toward the dock. Kind of paused it now, so I won't even say the slow roll approach anymore. He's kind of just sitting here, but he's got to watch out. We got another boat coming in right behind him. And here we go. And I recognize this crew. This crew has been down here several times, and the last time they were down here, they bounced it off the dock. Cap got off, and Wifey was still on the boat when it went floating off. And here we go this time, and they're going to do the same thing, bounce off the dock, but Cap's staying at the helm at least this time. Wifey's going to run back. She goes for the dock grab, and she's going to pull him back over, and here we go. Cap's leaving now. But she's at least, looks like, got a line this time, so the boat's not going anywhere, and they should be good to go. And speaking of good to go, we're getting out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.